It's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is Priority Christmas and Holiday Fun. Our hosts are Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling and Monica from Up All Night DIY. Please check out their amazing channels and all the creators in the playlist for all kinds of holiday fun. Today I'm just making a simple snowman cutting board. Here we go. Get it nice and coated with some white paint. Okay, now we got that done. We're going to move on to black. You can already guess what this is. Oh, my goodness. That black's a little water. A little water. You tell him, Bella. Now we're going to just paint this black too. Making our nose. Oops. Add some little rosy cheek action. I'm going to just do like a circle. You could add wood glue. I'm going to just add hot glue to make it quick. You could add a poinsettia, you could add a bow, you could add some greenery, whatever you want to embellish his hat. I may just make a bow with some cording. You could add snow on his hat. You could go all out. It's just however you want your snowman. You could make it look like, you could done his mouth in dots and make it look like it's coal. Just make your snowman the way you like your snowman to look. I'm just tying a knot like this. Okay, if you wanted to, you could turn this over and make a scarecrow on the back. I'm not going to, but you could if you wanted to. And then you could use this on your coffee bar, and you could use it for the scarecrow in the fall and flip it to the snowman. Here is our snowman, little cutting board for winter. And like I said, you could do a scarecrow on the back, and you could flip this from fall to winter for your coffee bar.